The ZADC chairperson Mnangagwa he was interviewed by a media journalist whom is Chinese. But one out among other issues, anouya addressa nawo yanotaura pamusoro pe-African media achiti aiwa they must flag by promoting the national interest. Panapa toona kuti aiwa macritics anouya panapa vachinyatsokuenda against mashoko akataura kuti aiwa media yemuAfrica it must support our national interest. Nsanapinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa not subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. One anouya comment achiti I listened to Mnangagwa in the video below and failed to respectfully disagree with his thinking here. You cannot reap what you didn't sow. China believes in a collective existence. They are feminist. Their narrative is, if I don't have, you don't have. If you have, I have. They train their children from their young to adopt that stance. They don't allow division within their communities. They believe in strong minds and strong physique. They promote meditation to inculcate these values. They are not capitalist. If you are not paying teachers what they are teaching the children, if you're not paying salaries, where are people getting the money from? When people trade currency, you arrest them. Tax comes from the profit, not blood money. How do you tax a business that we have not assisted in its growth or development? I think rethink is required. Patriotism is love of country and never love of government. My thoughts anoresta his case. Panapa ndo patrikuona criticize mashoko akataura kuti aiwa the media muAfrica inofana kusupporta the national interest. Patrikuona vachimukriticize vachiti yes they must support the national interest, but are you doing the same? Panapa vanouya vachiexposa information inoitika munyika yeZimbabwe vachiti aiwa China inofana kuzvizivawo kuti aiwa ndozviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe, vachiti aiwa China is different from Zimbabwe, iri different from maruliro amunoita. Potoziva mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mune comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.